Question number 4 in the page number 48 is Bindu's house and market are in opposite directions from the school. Bindu's house and the market are in opposite directions from the school. The distance between Bindu's house and the school is 4 kilometers 660 meters, and the distance between the school and market is 2 kilometers 800 meters. Bindu goes from her house to the school and then to the market. How much distance has she travelled? Very easy question. Bindu's house and market are in opposite directions from the school. So just you draw the map for them. What is the map? Where is the Bindu house? Where is the school? And where is the market? What is the sentence given here? Bindu's house and the market are in opposite directions from the school. From the school, Bindu's house and market are in opposite directions. Means what is the meaning of that? If school is there here, if here school is there, then Bindu's house is one side, market is another side.
Yes.
Bindu's house is one side, market is another side. That is the meaning of that. Bindu's house and market both are in opposite directions from the school. From the school, one side is Bindu's house is there, one side there is market. So now what is he has given, you see? The distance between Bindu house to school. From Bindu house to school, what is the distance, you know? 4 kilometers 660 meters. 4 kilometers 660 meters. And the distance between the school and the market is 2 kilometers 800 meters. The distance between the school and market is 2 kilometers 800 meters.
మన సౌండ్ మళ్ళీ ఓల్డ్ వాళ్ళ సౌండ్ వస్తే కొంచెం సెట్ అయ్యింది కదా మన సౌండ్ అలాగే ఆ టీచర్ వచ్చింది ఇప్పుడు నేను యాడ్ చేసిన నా సౌండ్ పోవట్లేదు వాళ్ళ సౌండ్ మనకి మంచిగా
అక్కడ ఒక బాక్స్ వచ్చిందా
చేస్తాను
ఏం చేసి వెయిట్ ఫర్ 1 minute, I am coming.
ఎందుకంటే నాకు
Okay, now what do you know? You have known that distance between house to school.
first of all
You will write there.
4 kilometers.
Next we know distance between school to market. We know. And finally the question is how much distance she traveled from her house to market. She went to school and from the school to she went to market. Means how much distance she traveled from school to house to market. Means what should we do? Addition. Very good, because continuously going no. That's why we need to add. So what you write here? Total distance traveled. So means you have to do, what should we do? You should do and you write the answer.
4 kilometers.
And you write in this order here, kilometers and meters.
Okay. 7 kilometers.
In first two, 4 kilometers are there, 660 meters are there. In second distance it is 2 kilometers 800 meters.
Sir, 700.
When you are adding, you send the carry this side also, no problem. After final carry you can send here, then you will find the answer.
7 kilometers 460 meters.
Okay, that is a, you can find the answer very easily here. So this is the first you need to draw this also. Then only you can do that. Okay. Then we will discuss the fifth one. Question number 5. Sorry. Now she will read the question. Okay, what do you understand by that? You draw the map. First I have drawn the like that. You need to draw the map. What is the question? Once again, listen carefully. If you walk from Sana's house, you will first reach Ramija house and then their school. If you walk from Sana house, first you will reach the Ramija house, after then school. Okay, you understand what is the question here? When we are walking from the Sana house, first you will reach the Ramija house, then after school. Mean, how do you draw the map? First whose school, whose house will be there? Rana. Sana house will be there. When you are going to school, first when you are traveling, whose house will come first? School will come or Ramija house will come? Ramija house will come first. Then after what will come? School will come. First from the Sana house, if you travel, if you walk, first you will get the Ramija house. After that, school will come. Now, what are the distance he have given? You see,
2 kilometers.
Sana house is 2 kilometers, 345 meters from school. Do you understand? From Sana house to school. The distance from Sana house to school. The distance from Sana house to school. Sana house to school is how much? 2 kilometers, 345 meters. 345 meters. Okay, and one more thing what has given. Ramija's house is 1 kilometer, 650 meters from the school. This Ramija house is 1 meter, 1 kilometer, 650 meters from the school. Means what? Ramija house to school. The distance between the Ramija school to house is 1 kilometer, 650 meters. Now finally he is asking the question, what is the distance from Sana house to Ramija house? Is the question.
Subtraction.
We have to find it. What you will do?
Subtraction.
Very good. Subtraction you will get because you know total and you know something. Remaining something you have to find it. Means what should we do? We should do the subtraction. Okay, what are the steps you will write? First compulsory we need to draw this map.
Okay, sir.
Because you know that first Sana house will come, next Ramija school will come, next school will come. And I know the distance from Sana house to school is 2 kilometers, 345 meters. And I know the distance from Ramija house to school is 1 kilometer, 650 meters. Now what will be the distance from Sana house to Ramija house? Means compulsory we should do the subtraction. So first we need to draw the map. After drawing the map, you need to write the steps. What are the steps you know? What do you know? Distance between distance from Sana house to school.
Is 2 kilometers, 345 centimeters.
So this is the step you will write and you know the distance.
Yes.
Second step what you will write?
Ramija house.
Distance from Ramija. Ramija's house to school.
Kilometers, 15 minutes.
Then finally what are you going kilometers 345 meters. Next 1 kilometer 650 meters. If you need to take the borrow, you can take from this here also.
Yes, sir.
After taking borrow, you can do that. You can find the answer. Shifa, concentrate here. Okay, this is the question number 5. You can answer like this. So I am going to rub this. You write these all steps from the video and then complete it.
695. 695 meters.
So next question, question number 6. A tiler uses 3 meters 10 centimeters of cloth to stitch one coat. How much cloth does he require to stitch 4 coats?
3
What should we do?
into
Very good, multiplication. You know, if you know the cost of 1 chocolate, how do you find the cost of 4 chocolates means? You will do the multiplication. Like that only, one coat, how much stitch is needed, you know. So you are going to find how much cloth is needed for the 4 coats. Means you need to do the multiplication. Okay?
okay.
Are you listening?
120 meters, 40 centimeters.
Are you listening?
Yes.
Okay, now what are the steps we are going to write first? Cloth used for 1 coat, 3 meters, 10 centimeters. Now we are going to find cloth used for 4 coats.
Into
So means you need to do the multiplication. Means what are the values you will write here?
4 tens are
3 meters 10 centimeters into 4.
4 tens are 40.
Directly not 4 tens are. 4 zeros are 0. 4 ones are 4. If the carry come, you will take here. And these are centimeters. And 4 threes are 12 meters. So totally 12 meters 40 centimeters. Put on the videos reminding all of you.
The second line.
Ah.
4 cloth beside shirt.
Used.
Used for 4 cloth.
काल तो वीडियो में है ले लेंगे आप मैं ले लेता हूँ बोल
वही बैठा हो बैठो सर
नहीं आप ले लो वीडियो तो ले लो सार भेज के ले लो नंदिनी को ले लो सार मैसेज भेज देते हो उनको तुम्हारा कार्ड बता दो
Nana.
हाँ
This is equal to 3 meters 10 centimeters we have wrote now.
yes
Down we did not wrote.
no that is only answer you will write there we will find answer and you will write there Shifa Sufyan oh what is that name Vishal put on the videos Manikarnika can you hear okay last 7th problem okay try to understand the 7th problem it is also very easy Ashish is traveling from Hyderabad to Vijayawada he saw this board on the highway road while starting one board is given here you see here what is the board here Vijayawada 284 kilometers Vijayawada 284 kilometers and Kodad Put on the video. Shifa. Put on the video. I don't know there. So what is the map? What is the board is there here? Vijayawada. So means what is the meaning of this board? Vijayawada 284 kilometers means from Hyderabad to Vijayawada there is 284 kilometers. Next what is there? Kodada. Kodada is 162 kilometers from Hyderabad. And last there is Suryapet. Suryapet is 120 kilometers from Hyderabad. This is given on the highway board. Vijayawada is 284 kilometers from Hyderabad. And Kodada is 162 kilometers from Hyderabad. And Suryapet is 120 kilometers from Hyderabad. So first of all, we have to create the map for this. We have to create the map. So we are traveling from where are you traveling? Hyderabad. We are traveling from Hyderabad. So that's why first what will come here? Hyderabad will come. First to Hyderabad. We are traveling from Hyderabad. And so up to where you are traveling this up to this first in this first which will come? Suryapet will come first or Kodada or Vijayawada? Suryapet will come first because short distance. So that's why first Suryapet will come. First Suryapet. Next what will come? Kodada. Next what will come? Vijayawada. Vijayawada. Okay? I will draw from here. Maybe you are not finding. So first Hyderabad. Next Suryapeta. Next Kodada. Next Vijayawada. And what they have given, try to understand here. This is 284 kilometers is what? The distance from Hyderabad to Vijayawada. It is not from here to here, from Hyderabad to Vijayawada. So means the distance from here to here. So from here to here it is 284 kilometers. Second, Kodada is 162 means what is the meaning of that? From Hyderabad to Kodada. From Hyderabad to Kodada, the distance is 162 kilometers. Now from Hyderabad to Suryapet is 120 kilometers. From Hyderabad to Suryapet is 120 kilometers. This is the map according to the given board. This is the board is there according to given board. What is the meaning? From Hyderabad to Vijayawada there is 284 kilometers. And from the Hyderabad to Kodada it is 162 kilometers. And from Hyderabad to Suryapet it is 120 kilometers. So according to this map, now the questions are there. We have to answer that. What is the first question you see? Question number 1. How much distance he has to travel from Hyderabad to Vijayawada? Can you say? From Hyderabad to Vijayawada, how much distance they have to travel? Very good. Direct answer 284 kilometers because we are traveling from Hyderabad to Vijayawada. Hyderabad to Vijayawada already given 284 kilometers direct answer. Yes. Okay, question number 2. Which distance is more? Suryapet to Kodada, Kodad to Vijayawada.
Suryapet to
Suryapet to Kodada. Do you know how much it is? You don't know. You have to find it.
42.
You have to find it, no?
Yes.
How do you find from Suryapet to Kodada?
42.
How do you find?
Subtraction.
We need to find out the distance from Suryapet to Kodada. Can you find here?
Subtraction.
Not directly given. You can find how? From 162 if you remove the 120. Totally from here to here it is 162. If you subtract this 120, you will get this answer, no?
42. From Kodada to
Next, we don't know the distance from Kodada to Vijayawada. That also you can find.
yes.
How do you find?
40.
You know total distance is 284.
126.
And from here to here it is what? 162.
126.
So what should we do? We should subtract it, no? So 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 2, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. 2 minus 1, 2. 122 kilometers. This is 122 kilometers.
126. Last I added.
Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Now see. So we are finding here what is the distance from Kodada to Suryapet to Kodada by subtracting here, and you found the distance from Kodada to Vijayawada by subtracting here. Now he is asking to you question, which distance is more? Suryapet to Kodada more or Kodada to Vijayawada more?
Kodada to Vijayawada.
Which is more, Marikarnika?
Sir, you have correct names.
Very good. Kodada to Vijayawada is more. Okay, last question. What is the distance between Suryapet to Vijayawada?
Subtraction.
Suryapet to Vijayawada. We have to find here what is the distance between Suryapet to Vijayawada.
How much distance?
What should we do?
Maybe.
That long subtraction you can do. Otherwise, one more easy. This distance you can add, no?
Yes, sir, that's the way I did.
This distance is 42.
6,
This distance is 122. If you add this both better, no?
500.
Add the 42 and 122. 500.
No, sir.
Where are you, man? 122 plus 42. 166. So what you get here? 166. 166 kilometers.
40.
Sorry.
42.
2 plus 2, 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 64. 164 kilometers. Okay, do you understand here what I have explained here?
Yes.
First, what you have taken board. This is the board is there. From the board, you have drawn the map like this.
Yes.
First to Hyderabad, next to Suryapet, next to Kodada, next to Vijayawada will come. After that, what will you do? What are the distance they have given, you have written. First distance from Hyderabad to Vijayawada it is 284. And from Hyderabad to Suryapet 120. And Hyderabad to Kodada it is 162. Then you found the distance between the Suryapet to Kodada 42 by subtracting. And you found the distance from Kodada to Vijayawada by subtracting like this. And finally you found the distance from Suryapet to Vijayawada by adding this both. So finally